copy question B. So my first invitation is when I see a problem like this long, I get excited because this is like a game. It's like a challenge. So it's good. It's like playing like puzzles. And we know that at the end, everything is going to work out perfectly. Like in a jigsaw puzzle, one piece is going to fit perfectly with the other one and it's going to be beautiful. So just embrace it, enjoy it. It's beautiful. Okay. So here we go. What do I have to do? Where is my equal sign in this long thing? Here it is. Okay, so I have one bracket here, another bracket here, and another bracket here. So yes, I do have to expand first. Then I'm going to collect like terms. Then I'm going to solve. And then we're going to check. So it's going to be fun. We have everything in this question. Let's do it. So what do we do? This 4 is going to affect both terms. I remember always to pause, try to do it first, and then watch what I'm doing. Then I have -2, which is going to affect both terms in here. Then I have this +4, and then I have this 5 that is going to affect both terms inside the bracket. And then I have the +7. Wonderful. So let's start. 4 times d, 4d, plus 4 times 3, 12. Okay, -2 times d, -2d. Notice that I'm taking the negative, is the whole thing, -2d, okay? And then -2, don't forget the negative. This is one piece here, okay? Don't forget that. Don't get confused. -2 times 7, -14, plus 4 equals 5 times d is 5d. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 7. Wonderful. Now let's collect like terms. So what do I have here? I have 4d, I have -2d. Okay, and the rest are the numbers here. So then 4d take away 2d is going to be equal to 2d. And then 12 take away 14, they're going to be -2 plus 4 plus 2, +2. Check my arithmetic because I might have made a mistake there. Then 5d plus 10 plus 7 plus 17. Wonderful. Now, numbers to the right. So negative. Okay, I'm going to stop there. Look, usually are numbers to the right, but I look at something here immediately. Look, I have a 2d and I have a 5d here, which means if I am going to undo, I'm just seeing ahead of what might happen. If I take this 5d to the other side, I'm going to have 2d, take away 5d, which is going to be -3d. So I'm going to have a negative on this side. I don't want that. So in this case, I'm going to do it the other way around. I'm going to put numbers on the right and pronumerals on the left. Numbers on the left, pronumerals on the right. But then if you don't do it that way right away, that's okay. You will get to the same answer if you're consistent, okay? So in this case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, I'm going to take the 17 to the other side. So to do that, I'm going to take away 17 and then take away 17. Okay, when I do that, I have 2d plus 2 take away 17 is going to be equal to -15. Yes, -15, and this goes away. Fantastic. And here I have 5d. And then I'm going to take this 2d to the other side. So I do -2d and -2d. Wonderful. So this goes away. And then I have -15 equals 3d. Then what do I have to do? Divide both sides by 3. And then I get -5 equals d, or I can write it as d equals -5. This is my answer. I just want to show you that here, when I decided to go this way, if I have gone the other way around, I will get to the same answer. I want to show you what will I get. So if I have 2D plus 2 equals 5D plus 17. Agree? That's what we had. Okay, so you're going to do what we usually do, that's pronumerals to the left. So if you do that, then what happens? I have to take away these 2. So I do take away 2, take away 2. This gets cancelled, and then I have here 2D equals 5D, and positive 17 take away 2 is going to be equal to positive 15. Okay, wonderful. Now I'm going to take away this 5D. So when I do that, I'm going to take away 5D on this side and take away 5D on the other side. So this becomes 0. And then 2D take away 3D is going to be equal to negative 3D equals 15. Okay, and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to divide here by negative 3 and divide here by negative 3, and I get this goes cancel, so I have D is equal to 15 divided by negative 3, negative 5. There you go. You can see same answer here and here. The only difference is that here I had a negative 3D. So you choose whatever for you is more comfortable. Maybe you choose this one now, but we haven't finished. We have to check our answers. To check our answer, we have to copy all this thing again. Oh dear God. So I'm going to do it here. So 4D plus 3 take away 2. And if I'm doing it, do you think that you have to do it? The answer is yes. D plus 7 plus 4 equals 5 times D plus 2 plus 7. Given that D is equal to negative 5. So let's play with this beautiful thing here. So I'm going to sub in D equals negative 5 in all wherever this is here. So 4 opens bracket negative 5 plus 3 take away 2 negative 5 plus 7 plus 4 equals 5 negative 5 plus 2 plus 7. Wonderful. Now working downwards. So I'm going to work first. I'm going to do focus first on the left, and that's why I'm going to solve first. Okay, so 4 times negative 5 plus 3 is equal to negative 2. Take away 2. Negative 5 plus 7 is positive 2 plus 4. That means that's 4 take away 8 times negative 2 is negative 8. Negative 2 times 2 is negative 4 plus 4. Then negative 8 take away 4 is negative 12 plus 4 is negative 8. So that's my answer on the left hand side. Okay, now equals, 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 and then we're going to focus on the right hand side. Okay, so 5 times negative 5 plus 2 is negative 3 plus 7. 5 take away negative 3 is negative 15 plus 7. Negative 15 plus 7 is negative 8. So what did I get? I get negative 8 is equal to negative 8. Therefore, it's true. My answer is correct. Wonderful, girls.